This video is about maintenance for your dishwasher. I learned this kind of the hard way. I had a dishwasher that stopped working, and I called the technician, came out and found that the spray arms, the long spray arms that have all these little holes in them that spray the water onto the dishes, were all clogged up with calcium. And so that technician told me that a way to prevent that from happening was, because it cost me a couple $100 for him to just sit and pick that stuff out and pound that stuff out and whatever, because you can't open up those spray arms. Most of them are sealed, and so he spent all this time cleaning it out. So he told me that one of the ways to prevent that is what I'm going to show you right now. So all you need for this is some white vinegar and a bowl. You're going to open your dishwasher. We're going to put about a cup of vinegar in the dishwasher, but we're going to put it in a bowl. The reason for this is because if you pour the vinegar into the bottom of the dishwasher and then start it, the modern dishwashers will drain out the water that's in there before it starts the cycle, and so it'll drain out the vinegar, and the vinegar won't be in there to clean the dishwasher. So we just put the vinegar in the bowl on the top shelf. That prevents it from draining out when I start the dishwasher, and then just do your settings and close it and start it, and it does all the work for you. So I do this on my dishwasher about once a month. So make sure that it keeps running well. All those holes are not clogged with stuff, so they're actually spraying my dishes. I'm saving myself money. Like a lot of the tips that I give you, a lot of these things that I suggest that you do around your house are to save yourself money in the long term, because we don't have to pay repairmen, and our appliances and things around the house are lasting longer, so that we're not having to replace dishwashers every 5 years or something. Maybe it'll last 15. Hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can get notices of when other helpful videos are uploaded.